What's good, Facebook? It's your girl Angel checking in. I know everybody done heard that new freestyle by my boo Tweezy called Booty Bandit, and if you haven't, check it out on World Star Hip Hop. Salute. Anyway, I wrote a little remix to it, so here it goes. Tweezy hit y'all with that booty bandit. What about these hoes? Cause they hollering about they ain't shit but sucking dick like pros. Out here wiping up these females, but they fucking all my bros. Say she only talk to their girl, but she fuck niggas on the low. You ain't gay, girl. You just got that shit. So now you only fuck with females, but you miss that dick. Don't be ashamed, girl. Cause you ain't the only one. You's even getting off. Out here trying to have some fun. Every nigga that you met used to tell you the one. Cause you better than the bitch, but you was motherfucking dumb. Was a slim girl. Now she got ass on her. Say she been taking shots till them niggas passed on her. Was a mixed girl. Mama white, daddy black. Found out that she got AIDS, almost had a heart attack. Tried to come home, but they wouldn't take her back. Now she out here in the streets. They put her out and packed the bag, so she stripping. Out here trying to make a living. Tried to go to college, but ain't had the grades to get in. Went and shaved the head, got tatted, trying to fit in. Moved out of town, she done found a spot to live in. New city, fresh start, running from her reputation. But it wasn't long before she got in this situation. Met a new nigga, fell in love, so he wiped her. She a bad bitch, getting money, so he liked her. Woke up in the morning and noticed his dick hurting. Went to take a piss and noticed his dick burning. Couple weeks went by, it ain't let up, so now he nervous. She ain't even tell him she sick, ain't wanna hurt him. Now she was her titties again, she on the run. Same nigga done threatened to kill her, she bought a gun. Crazy thing is she my dog from back in the day. And that's the whole story about why she be hollering gay. It's a never ending cycle, she just wanna end it. And she ain't even get to tell the nigga that she pregnant.